Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Wagner.
And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back from Austin. Today is finally Wagner's day for picking up her Q60. It's been over at the Mad Rapper all week and getting some blacking out done, some chrome deletes, but we've got some errands to run. Somebody got a ticket from CHP in the city of Dixon for having tint on our windows.
I was eating a candy bar. I think I attracted him.
He's probably thought it was a donut or something. But anyways, we got a mail to fix the ticket. We've got some errands to run. And then the end result is the Mad Rapper has the Q60 blacked out, chrome delete done. So let's get out there and get this Q60 picked up. All right, so first things first, we have done a marathon trip back from Austin because we have delivery of the bike coming today. You have to stay tuned. You have to hear this story. But so we had to make a marathon trip back. So 2 days of 13-hour driving. And the one thing that Texas lacked was coffee shops, good coffee shops. So heading over to Dutch Bros to pick up our coffee, and then we can get rolling. You know our normal order, right?
Yes, I do.
Let's see if he gets our order right.
Oh shit!
Let's go. What is it?
If I don't get it right.
What is it?
Are you getting your usual?
My usual.
Your usual. Large, hot, sugar-free, half scoop of dark chocolate, almond milk, caramelizer.
Solid.
Yeah, I was like, wait a second, am I wrong? Why are you looking at me like that?
You're welcome.
I'm not even gonna get out of the parking lot.
Wow.
It's been a week. Thank you, Dutch Bros.
Now, less itches now?
All right, so we're gonna make a quick pit stop over at Dixon Wheels and Tires because I picked up the new wheels, rims for the Corvair, but they had to order some tires for me, so we're gonna get those things wrapped so we can get the wheels and tires on the new Corvair. Then we're heading over to the post office to drop off the ticket, and then over to the Mad Rapper to get the Q60 picked up. That's all you get. All right, so we get to exchange this for a drop-off receipt because we know how the USPS is. So let me get this thing dropped off and then over to the Mad Rapper. All right, just kidding, you guys. We are actually taking delivery of our brand new 2002 or 12 or Viper. Just totally kidding. Just totally kidding. The Mad Rapper himself. Brian, what's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Nice digs you got there.
You like that?
Yeah, you look comfy.
Stay-at-home dad, man.
Hell yeah. But the Q60, here it is. Damn, brother. So smoked out tails, blinkers. Oh, the tail lights look dope. And don't worry, the emblems are coming. But full chrome delete. And the big Mama Jamma up front. Bro, that looks really good.
You know what's missing?
What's missing?
Front lip.
So front lip's on the way. We've got to get the front lip. Emblems are on the way. We've ordered them once, and yeah, I don't want to talk about it. But thank you. The Mad Rapper himself. So what's business starting full on, like
January 1 location, but at Mad Raps on Instagram.
Link it all down below.
Yeah.
Follow him because he's got some very cool stuff. That's actually his Viper, 2013? 14. Excuse me. He's like, and
Jet 5 Viper. Don't know what you're talking
Gen 5 Viper. But you got an Audi over there you just did, right?
Wrapped, yeah.
And you got a Viper or a Vet in there you're wrapping. Some very cool stuff going on.
350Z we're about to raffle off.
That's right. We'll link everything down below for the Mad Rapper. But follow him, and we'll be back with the Chrome emblem delete soon. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Of course, smash the like button. Like button's more important than we know, right?
Yes.
You gotta smash that like button. Follow the Mad Rapper over at Mad Raps.
Mad_raps.
Mad Raps. We'll link it all down below. But Brian, again, thank you so much. And see you guys next video. Bye, guys.